Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be talking about my trading 212 portfolio, what stocks I've purchased, what stocks I've sold, and what are my plans for going into 2020. Also talking about fractional shares. So let's start off with going through the new fractional shares that I've got in the portfolio. Starting off with Amazon, I have 0.005 of a share. That works out as £6.87. I'm up 0.15%, that's 1p. So it's just like an entry point for Amazon for me. So when it falls, when the price is around that price, I will start adding more to it. Boeing is another one that is down a bit. I've got 0.3 of a share, so basically a third. I'm down 0.66%, that's 50p. The other one is Siemens. Siemens is another one. I have a tenth of a share, valued at £10.06. I'm up 0.3%, that's 3p. I've also got one more. Where is Cisco? Cisco, I've got 0.2 of a share. I'm down 0.41%, that's 3p. So overall, I like the fact that Trading 212 has introduced fractional shares, and the good thing about it is it's not limited to just US stocks. Like it's limited to the most popular ones, so you can buy them. As you can see here, that I've got US stocks. Basically anything with the F is basically a fractional share. So if you go into the fractional section here, and these are all the fractional shares that you can buy, and it is quite a variety. Some are like kind of pointless because they're so cheap. So for example, let's look at Rightmove. I think it's only £6.50. British Land is only £6, but it's kind of pointless that they are fractional. You can even go further down. There's got Royal Bank of Scotland, which are fractional, and they're kind of like Virgin Money as well. Like, why is it fractional? Because they are really cheap. So I think it would have been better if it was more to the more pricier ones, in my personal opinion. But it is a good step, and I guess they are planning to have every single stock fractional, which would be awesome, and I like to see that. Moving on to the actual portfolio update now. BAE Systems is doing really well. It is up 5.13%, so it's kind of like around the same mark for the past week since the last update. I'm up £1.67, so I'm all right with that, to be honest. Barrett is also doing pretty well, but it's been falling ever since the announcement of the election results. It's at 23.71% up. That's £11.26. I'm still really happy with that. BMO, I'm looking to increase this because I've sold a large section of my holding on Freetrade, and I plan to move that into here. So I'm looking for the right time to buy. I'm looking for around the £1.13 mark, to be honest. Boeing, we've just spoken about. BP, basically this is doing all right, but it's still pretty low. I think it should be around the 520 mark, if I'm honest. I'm up 1.58%, that's £1.13. My average price is at £4.75. So I do believe this to go up in the future, so I will hold on to it for now. BT is doing pretty well, if I'm honest. It's up 9.75% since I started buying them. My average price is at £1.86, and it's at £2.04p right now. I'm up £8.17p, so I'm really happy with that. They do have an ex-dividend coming up. I believe it is, I think it's Christmas Eve, and it's got a dividend yield of 5p per share, so it's all right. Sentiment, I'm looking to get back into Sentiment. I'm waiting for the £1.10 mark before I start buying. So it's slowly coming down from that Canadian company wanted to buy them and they rejected the offer, so it's slowly coming down again. So I'll be looking to get a position in that. Cloudflare is also doing really well at the moment. So if we look at the last week, it had a massive drop and it's slowly coming back. I'm only down 2.8%, that's £8.06. Moving further down, Deutsche Telekom, I'm looking to increase my position in this. At the moment, it's down 6.8%, which I think is a good time to buy, if I'm honest. I'm down £1.84p. So it is something that I'll be looking into increasing. Direct Line is doing all right. If we look at the last week, it's actually fallen, but it's still up 14.89%. That is £40.57p that I'm up on based on 100 shares. Drax Group is doing really well. It is down on, actually it's up on the week. I'm up 19.42% since I started investing. That's £7.99p. I've got 15 shares in that, so I'm pretty happy with that. DS Smith is also doing really well. I'm up 12.31%. That's £5.14p on the week. It is up as well. It is up 1.16% from last week. Eon is up on the week by 2.24%. That's 21 cents. I'm up 3.69% since I invested, and I'm up 58p. Ford Motor Company, I am looking potentially to be closing my position in this, but I'm waiting for it to increase a little bit more until the Freetrade one is in positive. Glencore, pretty much the same again. I do have a sell limit order of £2.60, and I am looking to close my position in that. Hastings Direct is been going down since the week. It is actually down 1.24% from last week. I am actually up 0.19%, that's 31p based on 95 shares. HSBC is doing pretty well on the week. It is up 4.24%. I am up 5.77% overall. That's £4.90. So I'm pretty happy with that. Lloyd's is down on the week by 3.19%, but I'm still up 12.26%. My overall, I'm up £1.09p. My average price is at 55.58p. New REIT is actually doing really well, if I'm honest. It's up 7.06%. That's £22.66p. My average price is at £1.88, and I've got 170 shares in that. Page Group is also doing really well. It is up 26.93%. That's £3.13p based on 3 shares. I have been selling these off over the last week. I'm down to 3 shares now. Red Rose doing really well as well. Similar to Barrett, it's up 21.06%. I'm up £5.10p. I only have 4 shares with an average price of £6.05p. Telefonica is also doing really well. Actually, I take that back. It's doing pretty poor. It's down 3.86%. That's £2.23p. I should say they have paid me a dividend of £1.08p today. So happy days. I know they paid it a little bit earlier, but Trading 212 takes a little while to pay it in. So I'm just going to say they paid it into me today. Was it today? Anyway, doesn't matter. Twitter is doing really well. I am up 7.46%. That's £3.43p based on 2 shares. Pretty happy with that. Uber is also doing really well. I am up 6.08%. That's £5.37p based on 4 shares. Vodafone is also doing really well. It's up 2.32%. I'm up 51p based on 15 shares. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. That's it for this update. Let me know what you think about this video. Leave a comment down below. Like this video if you like it. I'm on a mission to get 50 subscribers. I'm so close to that milestone. So if you could, just give that little cheeky subscribe button. That would be decent. Also, if you are interested in trying Trading 212 or any of the other trading platforms, you can use my referral links in the description, and if you do use them, you'll get a free share worth up to £200. That's it for this week. See you next time.